What it do? Well, let's hope that this is the last time. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Way stiffer. Yeah. All right, let me sit this. Oh my God. And let me go get your twin. And here's your little brother. You slide over here. What the hell is that? Oh, damn can stuck to the side. Oh, it's hard, but it's fair. Yep. Lord have mercy. For them head wrists. Start work car. Scooting boot. Gas saver that is. Crossing over train tracks. All right, y'all. I was just showing y'all what I just went and picked up. What it do? Oh yeah, yeah. All right, people. I was just showing y'all what I got going on, what I just picked up, and we will continue these in a later video with the install. Oh my God. Yeah. We gonna see what those do, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later.